Understanding common word classifications. Lesson 3. Pronouns.
Welcome back, language enthusiasts.
In today's lesson, we're diving into the world of pronouns.
Now I know what you're thinking. Pronouns? Really? Aren't they just a bunch of small words like he, she, and it?
Well, yes, but there's so much more to them than that.
Pronouns are the unsung heroes of English grammar, swooping in to save our sentences from sounding repetitive and dull.
So buckle up because we're about to make pronouns fun and easy to understand.
What are pronouns?
First things first. What exactly is a pronoun?
In simple terms, pronouns are words that stand in for nouns.
Imagine you're at a party, and you keep saying your friend's name over and over. John likes pizza.
John went to the movies. John can juggle. You'd sound like a broken record, right?
That's where pronouns come in handy.
Instead of repeating John all the time, you can say, he likes pizza.
He went to the movies. He can juggle. Much smoother, isn't it? Pronouns not only keep our conversations and writing more interesting, but they also help avoid confusion by making it clear who or what we're talking about. Think of them as little shortcuts that keep everything flowing nicely.
Types of pronouns.
Now, pronouns aren't just one size fits all.
Oh no, they come in a variety of types, each with its own special job.
Let's take a closer look at the main categories.
Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the ones you probably use the most.
They refer to specific people or things and come in different forms, depending on who or what you're talking about, and whether it's the subject or object of the sentence.
Examples. Subject pronouns. I, you.
He, she, it, we, they. Object pronouns. Me, you, him, her.
It, us, them.
Let's put these into some sentences.
She is going to the store.
They invited us to the party.
I saw him yesterday.
Personal pronouns are like your grammar BFFs. They're always there when you need them.
Possessive pronouns.
Next up, we have possessive pronouns.
These are the ones that show ownership or belonging.
They tell us who owns what without having to repeat the noun.
Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs.
Let's see them in action.
That book is mine.
The dog wagged its tail.
Is this pen yours?
Possessive pronouns are great for keeping things clear and concise.
After all, who wants to keep saying, the car belonging to John, when you can just say, his car?
Reflexive pronouns.
Reflexive pronouns might sound a bit fancy, but they're actually pretty straightforward. These pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence.
They're used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same.
Examples: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves.
Let's check out some examples.
I made myself a sandwich.
She taught herself to play the piano.
They enjoyed themselves at the concert.
Reflexive pronouns are like a mirror in grammar. They reflect the subject right back at itself.
Demonstrative pronouns.
Finally, we have demonstrative pronouns.
These are the pointing pronouns. They point to specific things and tell us whether they're near or far.
Examples: this, that, these, those.
Here's how they work.
This is my favorite song. Implies close by.
Those are my shoes over there. Implies far away.
Demonstrative pronouns help us avoid vagueness.
Instead of saying, I like the thing on the table, you can say, I like this.
Much clearer, don't you think?
All right. Now that we've got a handle on the different types of pronouns, let's talk about how to use them in sentences.
The key to using pronouns effectively is making sure they agree with the nouns they're replacing in both number, singular or plural, and gender, where applicable.
For example, If you're talking about one person, you'd use a singular pronoun like he or she.
If you're talking about more than one person, you'd use a plural pronoun like they.
Let's practice with some sentences. John and Mary went to the store. They bought some groceries.
Here. They replaces John and Mary.
The cat chased its tail.
Here. It's replaces the cats.
Sarah gave herself a pat on the back.
Here. Herself reflects back to Sarah.
Using pronouns correctly helps your sentences sound natural and smooth, avoiding awkward repetition, and making your speech or writing more engaging.
Quick exercise. Replacing nouns with pronouns.
Let's put your pronoun skills to the test with a quick exercise.
I'm going to give you some sentences, and I want you to replace the nouns with the correct pronouns. Ready? Let's go.
Tom and Jerry are best friends.
Replace with pronoun. They are best friends.
The book on the table is mine.
Replace with pronoun. It is mine.
Maria gave the gift to her brother.
Replace with pronoun. She gave it to him.
The students enjoyed the lesson.
Replace with pronoun.
They enjoyed it.
How did you perform?
See how much easier and cleaner those sentences sound with pronouns.
With a little practice, you'll be a pronoun pro in no time.
In the next lesson, we'll delve into the world of verbs, exploring how to use them correctly, and why they're so important.
So, if you want your sentences to really do something, you won't want to miss it.
And that's a wrap on our lesson about pronouns.
Remember, pronouns are your best friends when it comes to keeping your sentences smooth, clear, and engaging.
Whether you're using personal, possessive, reflexive, or demonstrative pronouns, they'll help you avoid repetition and make your writing or speech more dynamic.
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more grammar tips, and share this video with your friends who could use a pronoun refresher.
And as always, if you have any questions or examples you want to share, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.
Cheers!